Okay everybody, today is Vinyl Vibrance. Compare vinyl cleaners, protectants designed for dashboards and door panels. So today we have Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, dash, glass, navigation, and more. We also have Hybrid Solutions made by Turtle Wax, is ceramic plus graphene inside job, ultimate all-in-one interior care for vinyl, leather, plastic, rubber, and more. Then we also have this Mother's Vinyl VLR, which is vinyl, leather, and rubber, and cleans, conditions, protects, penetrates deep, 3-in-1. Okay, so we're going to be using it on this door. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take those away. Not going to waste any time here. Hope y'all enjoy this. So we're going to be going over it on this section right here, and let's just see what it looks like. And I know I got some overspray on the window. That's fine. Don't care. We're just doing a product demonstration. All right, so that's Mother's VLR. All right, next one that we're going to use in this section, we're going to see if there's any noticeable difference, is the Chemical Guys. Here we go. Now this is a lot more watery, as you can see.
That's good.
It smells really good, and it's leaving this over here, this VLR, the Mother's VLR, kind of leaves a little bit of a residue. This right here has a little bit of a residue too, but not as much. All right, so the next one that we're going to be using over here is going to be the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. Here we go. I can already see right now it does have a, it smells like bug spray. It smells like bug spray compared to the other two. It smells very, very chemically. I'm gonna try it out on this section. It has like a bug spray smell. All right. It does leave a shine. I'm gonna go right here. If you could show them right there, that line right here, right where I stopped. This is with the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. In the middle, we have the Chemical Guys. And then on this side over here, which you see some sheen, it's the Mother's VLR, vinyl, leather, and rubber. So now we're going to be going to the inside of the vehicle, and we're going to show you what it looks like on the dashboard. Let's go. All right, everybody, so we're on the inside of this car, and as you can see, it's got dust, it's got grime, it's got hair. It's got all kinds of stuff on there, which you can see. All right, so now we're going to just spray right over here first. I'm going to try it right up here. Okay, we're going to try it on the dash. As you can see, this stuff, this is the VLR, the Mother's, is very thick. All right, let's just see what this stuff looks like. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel. I'm going to wipe the dash right here. It's like, I don't know, it looks like snot. And it does not have a real pleasant smell. It's not very pleasant smelling. Does it look good? Yes, it looks decent. Did it work on here? Thing that I'm noticing is that, as you can see, it's smearing. You can see that on this trim, it's smearing. Okay. Next product. It's going to be this Total Interior Cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and use it here. This smells that smells clean. It smells clean. I'm going to go ahead and spray it right there. I'm going to use another microfiber towel here. I'm going to wipe that off right here. And then we're going to try it right across here. Now, something that we noticed right here, right off the bat, it doesn't smear. This is Chemical Guys. It does not smear on this navigation panel here. It does not smear. It smells really good. All right, the next thing that we're going to use here is going to be the hybrid ceramic solution. So I'm just going to mist it one pump. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm just going to wipe it off. Don't need a copyright strike on the channel, so I had to turn the radio off. All right, so this stuff looks really, really good. It looks great. All right, so something that I will say, so these are the runner-ups, okay? These two work awesome. It cleaned. They both smell pretty good. This one does smell a little bit like bug spray. Has kind of like that chemically smell. This smells fresh and clean. This stuff has a weird smell to it too. It smells very chemically. It does smear on your plastic trim and also any of the other trim too. You can actually see it kind of has like a smearing effect. So if I had to pick any of these, I would say go ahead and put that away. It would be between these two. They both do a great job, but without the funky smell or anything, Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. It actually says it's good for glass, navigation, and everything. This also says that it's good for everything too. Interior care for leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. This is good for everything, and that is good for everything. But if you had your pick, anything that I would say that this performed, and you actually seen the performance right here in 4K, it would be Chemical Guys. It doesn't have a funky smell, doesn't leave any kind of offensive odors, and it cleaned very, very quick, no scrubbing. So anyway, hope you found this very, very informative. Hope you found it entertaining, and be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.